Are live notifications not working on the Kick app? If you are not receiving notifications when your favorite streamers go live, alerts are delayed, or live notifications have stopped completely, it can cause you to miss live streams. In this video, I will show you how to fix live notifications on Kick app. First thing you have to do is to go to Kick app. Then here in this page, you will find the first page here. You will move to profile. You will click on notifications, and then here you will find live, and you will find push notifications. So you tap here to enable push notifications as you see. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.